We put on our protective gear and Chuck Hazlett took us behind the scenes of the Hawthorne School construction.
So, what's been happening so far this year with the construction?
We've done a lot of demo on exterior walls, and we're currently framing all our exterior and interior walls for the office and admin in the new classroom, and doing roof framing right now.
So when do you think the office will be done?
I fully expect it to be done by the end of October.
Okay, sounds good.
After the construction is finished, everyone will know where the main entrance is.
Mrs. Sorensen is standing in front of what
Will be her new office. And this is what will be the new first grade room.
Signing off from the Hawthorne Construction site.
This is Will
And Glenn.